Hello, welcome back to another video. This one's a bit of a different one. See, this is a program called Unity, and it's generally used for making games and things of that sort. Lately, over the past couple months, I've been using this program to make a game of my own, and I just wanted to use this video to share with you guys what I have so far. There's a title screen here. The name of the game is currently Hard. I know that's like a terrible name. Like, imagine trying to find the game by like Google searching for it. It'd basically be impossible. Which is why I need a new name. And if you have any suggestions, then you can like put them in the comments or something. Tell me about them. So, obviously I'm going to put a background in the title screen as soon as I make one. But I haven't yet. I'm also going to like maybe have a quit button here. In the game, these are levels, and you can see I already completed the first 3. And beyond that, they're locked. You can see the little lock icons on these levels. And you can navigate them using the arrow keys. And I do have a bit of code that's supposed to stop you from going onto the locked icons, but I've disabled it for now so I could like test the art and stuff. So you're gonna be able to get deeper, and there will be like more dangerous stuff as you go further down. In the actual game, you play as this little square dude, and you can like move around, and there's like spikes and things that you're gonna have to avoid. You can see on the right there's like a health meter, and if I'm touching a spike, it goes down. And yeah, so I think so in the game you're gonna be like trying to battle a computer by like getting by their attacks, and then eventually like you'll reach it. You'll have to like spill water on it or something to shut it down. But yeah, and also like gonna have like slightly different controls every level just to keep the game interesting, because right now, other than that, it's rather boring. Oh, and not every level is just gonna be like stuff scrolling to the right. Like, I have a whole system in place to like implement levels and stuff. That I just haven't gotten around to designing anything more yet. I've just been using these to like test the controls. So I need like more controls, because currently I only have 3, and I kind of want a few more. So again, if you have any suggestions about that, you can comment. It's a bit laggy when OBS Studio is running, and there were some problems with lag that I had to fix, but I think they're mostly worked out now, so hopefully that should be working. And also, it shouldn't be as laggy in like an exported form, or like if someone's just playing it like standalone. Usually it runs a bit slower in Unity. Yeah, I'm planning to add like a level editor so that you can like make new levels, and I want some way to share them with a community, but I haven't really thought that much about the best way to do that. Underneath all that, I have a bunch of like scripts and stuff, and if you're familiar with Unity, then you might be disgusted by how it works. Because you see, all of this runs using a feature of Unity that I found known as onGUI, void onGUI function, like it's called basically every frame. And we draw things on the screen using this GUI.drawTexture. That's basically powerful enough to do whatever you want. And now, this whole like visual thing and stuff like that, like I don't really like that sort of stuff. So I found the onGUI and I've been sticking to it, and it's been working fine. Like I haven't really found any major issues with it. I have like saving worked out, so it saves like the game. So if you quit it and reopen it, it's not going to reset or anything. I have some thoughts about a story already. Levels are all stored in this levels.txt, and so this is just a plain text file, and you can see all these values, all these things separated by commas, as a format called CSV, or comma separated values. And it's pretty easy to like convert this into like a list of numbers, and then I've made levels in such a way that they can be stored something like this. System that I worked out, like it's a little bit complicated, but it's basically able to store like any way of putting the spikes on the screen that I could think of wanting to do. So it works like that. And yeah, I think that's about all I have for now. So thanks for watching, and maybe you can tune in for the next of these videos.